Roman chamomile. This oil smells like a sweet green apple tastes. It's the just best way that I can explain the aroma. It's got this flowery but more of a fruity overtone for me. So it's a favorite in our house. And at one point my son was having anxious feelings at school, and it was, kind of a little pattern that he got into. So I wanted to help him manage that better. And there are so many different oils that have this ability to, affect our emotional state in this way, this calming and soothing way. So I let him choose. I pulled out the lavender and chamomile and a couple of other blends and singles that, I knew would help the situation. But since I was making it for him to put in a roller bottle to use, I just wanted to make sure that he liked the smell, right? And he picked chamomile. And so we did that. We added a little bit of fractionated coconut oil, and he used that for several weeks as he was just, getting used to a new situation at school. And it was awesome. And then, at one point I was just like, hey, do you need a refill on that? He's like, no, I'm good. I'm issue solved. So that's how we've used Roman chamomile before. But basically any situation where you would use lavender, but, having some resistance because of the aroma, or, maybe it doesn't have a super positive association, then chamomile is such a great alternative. Thanks for watching and listening.